YouTube, what is going on now? It's me, Gabriel Nagle here, founder of WBFC Weather Buddies Forecasting Central. How's your guys' day going? If you guys are having a fantastic day, I'm glad to hear that. We are going to do a quick update on SPC outlooks. This is just a quick update on the SPC weather outlooks for this afternoon, for this evening, for tomorrow, and for the following day after that. So this will be uploaded on May. So this is uploaded on May 17th, 2021. Let's get started with the video. Okay, so we present this for you guys. So again, SPC update, Storm Prediction Center update, forecast for again May 17th, 2021. Be weather ready and be aware for tonight, because this is where the outbreak can get very dangerous. So this is where we're watching areas for concern for today, for this afternoon as well. Oops, that was bad lag. Sorry about that, guys. So, in northeast central Arkansas, southeast central Missouri, and most of Colorado, if not the eastern half of Colorado, is going to experience some severe weather today. As of right now, we do have a couple of flood advisories and flood warnings and stuff like that down there near the New Orleans area in southern Louisiana and parts of southeastern Texas. We also got a couple of severe weather events going on currently just north of where I live, north of Albuquerque. So there are a couple of weather events that are going on right now. But again, right now we're primarily focused on this SPC outlook. So let's go ahead and move on to the next slide. This is where things get pretty bad, and this is for tonight. So anybody who lives within this red zone, this is a moderate risk, by the way. Anybody who lives within this red zone, moderate risk zone, right there. If you live in that moderate risk zone, please be careful. Please be weather ready. Please be weather aware. And please take caution when if a severe thunderstorm warning or tornado warning is being issued for your area. Again, this is for tonight, really later tonight, really in the wee hours of the morning hours. So, you guys need to be careful, you guys need to be safe, and please take precautionary measures seriously. The highlighted cities that need to watch out are Oklahoma City, Dallas, Texas, possibly Houston, and some of the really southeast area, or the southern parts of Louisiana, got to keep an eye out for flood threats. Also, southern tip of Texas, need to keep an eye out for flood threats. There could be occasional severe thunderstorm. Let me read all that. There could be occasionally severe thunderstorm warnings for this area as well. But again, some of the thunderstorm warnings for this area could be a little different. The thunderstorms I'm thinking about in parts of southwestern Wyoming, northwestern Colorado, in the Four Corners region, we're going to get a few thunderstorms this evening, but I think a lot of them are going to be really focused in on this area right here, in the lower Red River Valley. Again, please be careful, because this is centered right over the Red River Valley, as you guys can tell, because the Red River Valley goes something like this, and then kind of heads north like that. So please be careful in this area. Please take precautionary measures, and please be safe and weather ready, and be weather aware if a tornado warning is issued for your area. Okay, moving on to the next slide here. This is for tomorrow, Tuesday, May 18th, 2021. Pretty much the same areas. This thing moves a little bit further to the north, and this is just a marginal risk right now. This may upgrade to possibly a slight risk, but we'll have to wait and see what happens in tomorrow's update on SPC. Again, a couple of thunderstorms over here, and a couple of thunderstorms up here in northern Colorado. So, again, areas to be concerned, though, are, again, Oklahoma City, Dallas, Texas, Houston, Texas, southern tips of Texas need to watch out, and really south central Louisiana. Again, areas to be watching out for. Also, Kansas City, Missouri, and also really most of southern parts of Kansas. So areas to be concerned of for tomorrow are, again, Oklahoma City, Dallas, Texas, Houston, Texas, possibly the Corpus Christi region, and the New Orleans region. Also, again, Kansas City, Missouri. If I said that already once, please forgive me. I'm kind of in a rush getting this video uploaded because it's getting a little late. Here is the following day of the SPC Outlook. This is again day 3, so this is for May 19th. This I'm going to have to update later, and this will be updated on the server. But areas to be watching are really within this green. And really where you should be really concerned and focused at is eastern Texas and central Louisiana, and really the far third of Texas there, far 2/3 of Texas. Those are the areas to be watching out for. In this marginal risk zone, though, this darker green zone right here, there are no real major cities that are within this, except for Houston, Texas. Again, areas to be watching out for. Lubbock could be on the backside of this. So just please take this weather seriously, and do not ignore when you get a thunderstorm warning in your area, especially a tornado warning in your area. Going back up to, again here, for this severe outbreak, I'm most likely concentrated further towards the west on this particular outbreak, so right along this area. Here's the reason why. Because the storms are going to be a lot more bubbly in this area. They're not going to be a whole big old line that's going to be just to the east there. And where this threat may be moving to this evening, really later into the night, is moving towards the Houston area, and that's why I mentioned Houston, Texas in this, because Houston, Texas may get in on this too. So all of you that are in this severe warned zone on this SPC, really it's... Let's use the slight risk as our method here. Really, from the slight risk, inside of the slight risk, you guys need to be careful, be safe. Again, Oklahoma City, Dallas, Texas, Houston, Texas, even though you're kind of right on the edge there. And like I said, this dart's going to move southward throughout the night and will cause some major flooding in the southern Louisiana area and southern Texas area. You guys be safe. Be careful, and please take precautionary measures when needed. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this content. If you guys did, please give the video a thumbs up, and we'll do the next SPC Outlook tomorrow. You guys have a wonderful day, and we will talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.